Namaste dosto, welcome to my channel. So in last class we learned about creation of ledgers, and I told you that these are masters. Masters are those data which we don't have to change with every transaction, while non-master data we have to change with every transaction. For example, mm, master data example is like party's name. Party's name we don't have to change. Party's name we So party name while recording sales and while making payment, party name remains the same. We don't have to change the name. Okay. While date of transaction, we have to change in both the transaction. So these are examples of master and non-master data respectively. Hope you are getting my point. So let's proceed. And next type of ledger we will create is a sundry creditor. Then I'll show you how to create. Here I created XYZ supplier account and a sundry creditor. Creditors, if you are not from commerce background, then these are the like people from whom we take purchase goods or receive services on credit, and we have to pay to them later. So this is a type of liability for us. XYZ supplier account I created. Now I am accepting the ledger. Other ledgers I created, friends, steady only. So I will show you display, then accounts book, ledger, second option. Then I created output IGST, CGST. So these are this is the ledger. Now I'll show you alteration. And also friends, I'll show you this ledger, output CGST. So this will come under group duties and taxes, and type of duty and tax will be GST. Tax type you change accordingly. If you are taking output SGST, then change it to state tax. If you are taking output IGST, then change it to integrated tax. So make the changes accordingly. Hope you are getting my point. So these are all about ledgers creation. Now we will see alteration of ledger. So let's go here. Output CGST or any ledger you take, XYZ. Suppose I am taking XYZ supplier account. Now here I am giving any opening balance. Suppose I am giving to 6,000. Okay. I am just showing you the alteration of ledger. Then press Ctrl A. And see friends, here it's showing credit balance. As I told you that creditor is liability for us because we have to pay in future. And in first class I told you about definition of liability, whatever business owes. Okay, so this is our liability because we have to pay in future. So I am accepting the entry by pressing Ctrl A. So friends, we learned the creation of master data in Tally. Master data I already told you. Now let's move to creation of inventory masters or inventory non-master data. So we have to create go down. This is our next task, and please practice with me to get the grip. So go to create option, then go down here in Tally Prime. The name is changed to location. Okay, earlier it was on gateway of Tally only, inventory info, then go down create. Now in Tally this one Prime I have to create. I'll create since I have taken location as Karnataka, so I'll take places of Karnataka only and other state also as my location. So one will be Bengaluru, I created one. Second one is Shivamoga. Third one I am giving it Darwar. Okay. Now I will create sublocation. Okay. Sublocation is location under location. So under Bengaluru I will create one HSR layout. Now instead of primary you choose Bengaluru, then accept. Yes, if you follow the navigation you can accept by navigating, otherwise you can press Ctrl A from keyboard to accept. One I will choose other state. I will take Hyderabad because for making intra-state purchases or sales. Okay, and one is I will take Chennai. So we learned creation of godowns or location. Now let's move to next concept, creation of unit. I'll create just one to show you numbers, and as per rule of GST you have to mention UQC, unique quantity code, on tax invoice. So it is required to create in Tally as well. So from here you select this one, then 2 places of decimal I am selecting, and one more I'll create. Now let's create some stock categories. I hope you are getting this option. Go to create, then under inventory masters, here stock category, the products you are dealing in, which category it falls under, like footwear, then I'll do oil, now I'm creating stock group. So friends, we have created stock category. Category is like general, you can say, like footwear. Under footwear we have group as shoes, stock group, and then again we have stock items. So I'll be creating 2 to 3 stock items, and then we will start recording the entries. Okay. And friends, please pay attention because these are very helpful while creating manufacturing journal. Okay. Then I'll select the stock group as shoes, and then I'll create one. Here we will be setting the rates, standard rates. This is our cost, okay. So friends, I have given standard cost as 450 and selling price under 1000, because there is there are differential rates on basis of price. So earlier it was 5% under 1000 price shoes. Now it's increased to 12%. So this was also a concept. Here I'll be setting. So I have given all the details. HSN you give. HSN is a harmonized system of nomenclature. This is a code by which a product is recognized all over the world, okay. So because we know by different names, but if a code is there, then what we are understanding, same thing other people will also understand. So there is a code that is called HSN for goods, and service accounting code for services, okay. Calculation type will be on value, taxability is taxable, and rate you can see 12% I have given. So hope you understood the creation of stock items. Stock item I have taken training shoes, or you can take any shoes like running shoes, sports shoes, loafers, anything, but I have taken here training shoes under shoes stock category, and then units, pairs, then I have given all details. Now let me accept this. For footwear whose price is above 1000, it's 18%. So friends, I am accepting. I have created stock items 2 to 3 for ease of understanding. Now we will move to entries, okay. Now starts the main part. Till now we were discussing only about the concept and features, basics of tally and accounting. Now we will actually start the accounting thing, okay. There are type of vouchers. So friends, for recording any transaction we have to go to voucher, okay. Voucher. So this is gateway of tally. You can go from keyboard directly, or you can type, you can go using mouse, or you can type B from keyboard. Now you can see here type of voucher selected is payment. So this is also a type of voucher, okay. And on right hand side this is date, and just beside this you can see the shortcut. So first entry we will start is for contra. Contra voucher is a type of voucher. So contra voucher is a type of voucher in which only bank and cash accounts are affected, okay. So let's record one transaction whose type is contra, okay. So we are depositing or emitting cash into bank, okay. So now tell me what will be the journal. We are depositing cash into bank, so cash is what is going out, okay. This is a real account and cash is going out. and bank is the receiver, so we will debit the bank and credit the cash account. Okay, $2,000 by IDBI. Okay, so friends, this is contra voucher and we have recorded one entry. Thank you friends. Other type of vouchers we will be seeing in our next video. Thank you. Again we will do a reverse entry, like we are withdrawing money from bank. Okay, so in this case bank is the giver, so we will debit the credit the bank by rupees 500, and then check number and the other details you give, and cash is what is coming in, so I'll accept the entry. Hope you understood the concept of contra voucher. Contra voucher is a type of voucher in which only two accounts are affected, cash and bank, and when there is a cash to bank transaction, bank to cash, and then bank to bank transaction also, we record under contra. So friends, please pay attention, because practically this is where you get stuck. Like there are 2 to 3 bank accounts of companies, so I have seen like some people asking that where to record. They take under, sometimes they take under journal voucher. This is very basic and common thing, but still for like whatever I have seen, I told you. Okay, so we will record under contra. So friends, next type of voucher is payment voucher. And payment voucher, two types of payment we make, either through cash or bank. Then we select payment voucher and we make payment for all ledgers except bank, sales and purchase ledgers. Okay, now let's move to payment voucher. And friends, hope you are getting the concept. As I told you, like here we record transaction through vouchers. Okay, we select voucher, then now we select the type of voucher. Okay, and type you have to understand by seeing the type of transaction. Now we are making payment, so suppose I am making Xerox expense or photocopy expense, so I'll create ledger by pressing Alt C. Alt C. Now I'll give the expense name as photocopy. That is indirect expense for me, for our business. Okay, then I am accepting everything as it is. And friends, tell me the entry for photocopy expense. Okay, when we are making the payment, so payment will be entry will be photocopy expense, or any name you can keep, office expense or anything. See, so keeping materiality in view, you have to like choose the name. So I am giving here photocopy expense. Okay, so why we are debiting? Because this is a type of nominal account, and we in under this as per the golden rule, under nominal we debit all expenses, so we are debiting. Suppose I am paying 1000 and I am making payment through cash. Now name of cost center, as I told you, that whenever there is an expense or income, then that is related to any department. So I'll select here. Okay, I'll create one, because I'm creating this for service, IT services or IT department I give. Okay, so 1000, and then what is going out is cash. So you understood here payment type of voucher, then photocopy, expense, account, debit, and you got the logic also of journal entry. So friends, you practice with me, you'll get the grip. Thank you.